Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the zoom through eye transition effect in Premiere Pro. So what you need to create this transition is a video of an eye and then another video. It could be a video of a building or any other video you have. So the first thing you need to do is to select the eye video and move it off to your video track 2. And you need to create your start point and your end point. So the best place to start from is a few seconds before the eye blinks, and then you cut out some seconds after that you no longer need. Now you also need to move to the point where the eye just blinks open, the first frame, and right there you place your second video clip directly under it. Now select the eye's video clip and move over to the effects control panel, and under your opacity select your free draw bezier tool and scroll down to where the eyes is and begin to create a mask around it. Next thing you need to do is to invert this mask. Move over to your mask part under your mask and toggle on this mask. You will notice that the mask lines have disappeared. You need to select the mask once more. Now what you need to do is to move to another frame by hitting this right arrow over here, and you need to continue to scale this mask to cover the entire eyes. So I'm going to fast forward this now so it doesn't look too boring. Alright guys, so if I go back and hit play, you will notice at the beginning here that there's this black line here that is showing. The mask is showing here. So what you need to do is to zoom into where the second video touches here and cut it by selecting the razor tool and cutting it here. Now you select this portion over here, and inside your effects control panel you select the mask, right click and delete it. So now if we play this from the beginning, you will see what we have so far. We now need to zoom these eyes into this other video. So what you do is you move some portions close to the end of this video. At this point, you add keyframes here on scale and position. Okay, let me move this back a little bit. And then at this other position here, I can increase the scale now to how I want it to be. I really need it to come closer so that it can transition into the video. So I've created new values for position and scale. So if I go back to the beginning and hit play, okay, let me cut it out from this point, from this end point here. Let me cut out the remaining of these clips. So if I go back to the beginning and hit play, you can see what we have created. Now the last thing I want to do is to add a directional blur so that I can smoothen this portion at the end of this video. So you move over to your effects panel and search for directional blur and drag this onto your clip over here and go down to the bottom close to the end where you want it to end. At the beginning point you set your blur length at 0. So I'm going to toggle on my blur length here at 0 and move close to the end and set it at 10. And that's it guys on how to create this zoom into eye transition effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.